Hey, hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own aloe vera leave-in treatment and aloe vera oil for massive hair growth using olive oil. So let's just get straight into the video, and don't forget to subscribe.
1, 2, 3, come on!
First step is to extract the aloe vera gel, and this is how I do it. I just cut this part like this. Then I've already extracted some of it, this one. So this is how I do it. I just cut like that and extract this part. This is the gel, guys, I'll be using for my hair. So after this, I'm going to blend it. So I'm going to pour this inside this container. So this is what you're going to blend. So I don't add any water. This is just aloe vera gel, guys. So after blending, guys, you see there are a few residues which are still into the aloe vera juice. So it's always important for you to sieve to remove the residue, because it may stick onto your hair once you use it without sieving. So guys, we have our pure aloe vera leave-in treatment. I also use this to moisturize my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and store the leave-in treatment into this storage container. This is what I've been using to grow my edges, and I see a huge improvement, guys. If you check my last video which I posted out, even now, as you can see, my hair has really improved and grown into length. Together with guava leaves, I think this is the best hair growth treatment. Part 2 of the video, I'm going to show you how to make your own aloe vera oil. I'm going to cut this one into smaller pieces. This is the olive oil I'm going to use. I'm going to transfer this here, and I'm going to pour a little amount of olive oil. So that's the olive oil. Put on low heat and then warm it for my treatment and conditioner. So it normally takes around 10 to 15 minutes under low heat, or 20 minutes. I'll continue heating the oil, guys, for the next 10 minutes until the aloe vera changes the color. That's when you know when it's ready. So my oil is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat, guys, and wait for the oil to cool down. It may take around 30 to 45 minutes for this oil to cool down before use. So I'll let it cool down, and then later I'm going to show you guys how I use it on my hair. So the next step is to transfer the oil. I'm going to transfer it into this container. This conditioner here for the hair and the oil. So here I'm transferring my oil to the other container, as I'll not use all the oil. So just use a few teaspoons for my deep conditioning, and then store the rest for the next week. I normally use a wide comb to comb through the hair. This helps spread the mask evenly into my hair. And after like 30 minutes before I cover it up, guys, see the difference? My hair looks so moisturized and soft. So I'll go ahead, cover it for about 3 hours so that the oil can penetrate through my hair. After deep oil conditioning, I covered my hair, washed, and then add to warp it like this. That's how I normally do it because of the shrinkage of my hair. So I'll go to sleep like this, so by the time I wake up tomorrow, my hair will still at least be straightened. It's not going to shrink as much. Yeah, because my hair shrinkage is just on another level. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.